Hi, I'm Jeff Kyle, and I'm the CEO of PDC. Founded in 1991, PDC is a specialty manufacturing company focused on precision injection molding and value-added assembly in support of medical device and life science customers. Our expertise includes the production of components with complex materials such as PEEK, PIBA, and COP within an ISO 13485 quality system. After over 30 years as an experienced precision micromolding partner, we've compiled extensive knowledge of frequently selected thermoplastic materials. At PDC, our expert team collaborates with you to optimize design and material choices, ensuring innovative, reliable medical devices that meet the highest standards. Based on sound engineering principles, our design for the manufacturing process combines theoretical physics with practical experience to evaluate the potential result of a specific part design or feature, with key assumptions related to material selection, injection mold tooling, and processes. At PDC, we ensure the highest precision and accuracy in measurement through advanced non-contact optical measurement systems. We enhance measurement throughput and accuracy through advanced metrology techniques and systems. Our teams perform gauge R&R and measurement systems analysis for automated measurement programs. We are an exclusively clean room production and assembly facility, featuring first-rate equipment for greater control over quality and lead times. We are proudly certified to the latest ISO 13485 standard. As a professional and experienced molding company, we are a competent and trustworthy partner, whether you're a startup company or a well-established OEM.